Hey, it's Mark Rawmaker, the Ninja,
and Jonathan, the Dreammaker Spiegel.
from the Home Squad at eXp Realty. We're gonna show you this listing right now.
Hey everybody, welcome to 37 Carriage Hill Circle in Casselberry, Florida. Tell us about it, Mark.
I would love to tell you about Casselberry, but I pulled up the internet right now, and we're gonna read some reviews online on Casselberry. You know what they are? They're all 5 stars. Let's go through them. What's this guy say?
This city is a nice, good-sized city here in Florida, a pretty peaceful place and very home-like.
This one says, I love it here. We live in a nice house. We love all our neighbors, and they're very nice. What about that one?
This one says it is placed far enough from the tourist center, but you're still close enough to occasionally enjoy it.
Yeah, this one says, my experience in Casselberry was great. Casselberry is very calm and a nice city to live in. So this isn't from us.
No.
These are from real residents.
We don't know
here
these people.
in Casselberry. I don't. I want to get to know them. But you know what we're going to do right now? We're going to show you this house.
Find out.
Come on.
Come on, guys.
Welcome to this well-maintained 3-bed, 2-bath home perfectly situated in the lovely community of Carriage Hill. Right when you walk in, you'll notice a fantastic open floor plan. It features a sunken living room with beautiful laminate floors. Across the living room is a perfect-sized family room with a ton of natural light. Off the main living area is the kitchen that features stainless steel appliances. Down the hall, you will find the owner's suite with a fully renovated bathroom. Off the owner's suite are the 2 other bedrooms that share another renovated bathroom. One of the best parts about this home is the huge backyard with the screened-in lanai and a perfect spot to park your boat. This home also has an extended driveway. This home won't last long.
So there it is, 37 Carriage Hill Circle in Casselberry. It's a great house, right?
Yeah, I love it. Really, really good place. 3-2, huge screened-in back porch.
Yep, big backyard, renovated bathroom. So if you want to see this house, message us, the Home Squad at eXp Realty today, and we'll set up a showing. Thanks for watching.
See you soon, everyone.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
Unique New York, unique New York.
The arsonist has oddly shaped feet.
He does.
He does. Okay.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2.
Hey everybody, welcome. We are here at 37 Carriage Hill Court in Casselberry, Florida.
Carriage Hill Circle.
Good, thank you so much.
All right, we'll keep going.
Carriage Hill Circle. What did I say?
Court. That doesn't
Okay.
matter.
Oh, okay, here we go.
All right, here we go. In 3, 2.
What's up? We're here at 37 What's up? We're here at 37 Carriage Hill Court in Casselberry. No. What's up? We're here at 37 Carriage Hill Circle in Casselberry. Mark, tell us about this geographical place.
Let's do it again because
Okay.
I'm laughing. Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, here we go. In Jonathan, you're not introducing yourself?
I already
We
did.
already
You
did
already did? Okay, sorry. Sorry. All right, here we
That's
go.
okay.
In,
Daniel keeps messing us up.
all right, here we go. In 3, 2.
Hey, we're here at 37 Carriage Hill Court in Casselberry, Florida.
Nope, you said
It's a
4.
circle, like a circle.
It's a
like
circle.
Like your wife's belly right
son
now.
of a.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.